Okay, so let me bring this one down. So we have 2 square root of 54. They want us to simplify it. So what do? So we break this down. Use your calculator. Just try dividing by 2, 3, 4, whatever. It's 6 times 9. I happen to remember, but if you're rusty, just use your calculator. Break down the 54 any way you want. You can break it down to 2 times 27 or whatever. And then just keep going. What times what is 6? 2 times 3. What times what is 9? 3 times 3. And these guys are done. They won't go any further. I mean, you could break down 2 as 1 times 2 or 3 as 1 times 3, but you're using the same numbers again. You're using the 2 again or the 3 again. So there's no point in that. You didn't really break it down to 2 smaller things. So, because it can't. These are prime numbers. They can't break down to smaller things. Okay, so what does that give us then? That gives us 2. And then square root of 2 times 3 times 3 times 3, right? So I just broke down the 54 to the little pieces that make a 54. You could check it out with your calculator. 2 times 3 times 3 times 3 would be 54. 2 times 3 is 6, and 3 times 3 is 9, 6 times 9 is 54. Anyway, this is the breakdown of the 54. This is a 54 inside. Now what do? Well, square roots always do a 2-for-1 deal, don't they? Square roots, 2-for-1 deal. 2 inside sends 1 outside. So like 2 3s inside sends, here, let me do a better job here. 2 3s inside sends 1 3 outside, and they're gone. And so what do we end up with then? That's 6 on the outside now, 2 times 3. So if they multiply on the outside, just like they were multiplying on the inside. And then what's left over on the inside now? Well, 2 times 3, which is 6. And we're done. That's the answer. It's just 6 root 6. So let me recap what just happened there. So you take the 54, you break it down, 6 times 9, and keep breaking down till you can't break them down to anything smaller. So 2, 3, 3, 3. And then square roots are always a 2-for-1. It's like shopping at Target. Things are on sale 2-for-1. You grab 2 3s, send 1 3 out, and they're gone. And so then you just multiply whatever's left over. 3 times 2 is 6 on the outside, and 2 times 3 is 6 on the inside. It's 6 root 6. So square roots always do a 2-for-1. 2 inside sends 1 outside. That, by the way, if you're thinking that's weird, no, that's what square roots always do. You just haven't thought about it before. Square root of 9, for example, is 3. What just happened there? 9 was 2 3s. 3 times 3. 2 3s inside, 1 3 outside. That's what square roots always do. So there we go.